Hi guys, Chris here again from CCW. I'm here after hours. I just wanted to introduce you to our new showpiece. This is a car that we're going to be taking to all motorsport events around the country, both track days and show. We're going to be talking a little bit about the car itself, as well as going over anything you want to know about compliance, low volume, modification, anything like that. We're going to talk about what you can get away with, what you can't get away with, the rules, the regulations, how legal is certain parts of the car, and anything like that. Just to give you a few specs on the car is a 2008 BMW 335i. At the moment it's got the Tiptronic gearbox, but we will hopefully be doing something about that in the future. There is a few modifications at the moment. We've got brakes, suspension, underbody work. It's also methanol injected, so it works out to be pretty quick. I will be able to provide the full specs for you in the description below. To give you a bit of a history on the car, it was owned by a friend of a friend in Singapore. He was able to get the car to us. The guys at Chicana Customs and Freight were able to ship the car safe and sound all the way from Singapore to New Zealand, and we've got it here. Alright, so the car is a work in progress, but I will show you a few things that we've already got on the car. The biggest questions we get asked about modification is brakes and suspension. Now these are very important parts of the car. In my opinion, they are the most important parts of the car. So I'll show you what we've got on ours. Alright, so on the fronts here we have the Brembo 6-piston GT big brake upgrade. That's the caliper there, as you can see. We've got braided lines going to that caliper, and for our rotors we have got a custom setup. We have just had the center hats or spiders custom made for us. They were milled from one billet of aluminum, and the rotors are an off-the-shelf performance rotor from the guys at SAS. So all in all, it's a good kit. Now for suspension, we've got KW full adjustable ride height and dampening suspension. You can't see it too well from here, but when we do take the wheels off again, I will be able to get some footage of those for you. We've chosen KW as they work great for European cars. The other options we would go for as a team as well, but we've gone for the KWs this time. That was just a small introduction to the car. We are going to be doing a lot more videos regarding the build process of this. We do intend to get it as far as you can go in terms of road legal. That means cage, seats and everything like that, just so that we can show you what really goes on to a road race. So if you do see us at any events or on track or anything like that, do come and join us. If you've got any questions, then let us know and we'll do our best to answer. If you are keen to keep following us and interested in what we do, then like, subscribe, find us on Facebook. I'll put all the links in the description. And from the team here at CCW, we will see you in the next video.